When we assemble the quick coupler components, such as valve cores, O-rings, springs, steel balls, etc., with the body of the coupler, some components, such as O-rings and valve cores, can be manually installed. However, the majority of the assembly steps require the use of specialized tools to ensure that each part is securely fixed in the correct position. The use of these tools not only improves assembly efficiency but also minimizes installation errors caused by human factors. In addition, components such as nuts, locking rings, or retaining rings play a crucial role in the assembly process. They not only enhance the structural stability of the coupler but also prevent internal components from loosening in high-pressure or high-vibration operating environments. With the help of these fasteners, we can ensure that the coupler maintains efficient and safe performance over long-term use, avoiding leakage, failure, or performance degradation due to loosening or misalignment of internal components. The entire assembly process must be meticulous and strictly adhere to design specifications to ensure that the precision and functionality of each component are perfectly coordinated. Through these precise processes and rigorous quality control, we can ensure that the quick coupler performs stably and reliably in a variety of demanding working environments.